Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share this really quick video with you guys because I found a life-changing, I sounded like Trump there, life-changing method on how to curl your hair without using any heat. Now I did use a little bit of heat on my face framing just because I'm kind of picky about that. You don't have to if you're trying to completely stay away from heat, but I did just kind of touch these pieces up. But the rest of this is all done with this heatless curling method that I found on TikTok. So if you guys want to see a really easy and comfortable way to get heatless waves, then keep on watching. Okay, to start off, I'm going to just dampen my hair. You don't want to do this too much because it does take a while to dry inside of the sock. I found that out the hard way, and my hair was still a little damp when I took this out. So just dampen it a little bit and brush it through. I did split my hair into two different sections because we're gonna do 2 socks on each side of our head. All right, let's pull out that sock. I'm using one of my husband's sock because I wanted my curls to be bigger and looser. So the smaller the sock, the tighter the curls will be. The bigger the sock, the looser the curls will be. Okay, so now that our hair is parted into 2 separate sections, I'm gonna take one of my sides and split that in half and take hair from the top section and wrap that around the sock going away from my face just to kind of hold that sock into place. And then I'm gonna combine that with the rest of my hair on that side and continue to wrap that away from my face. You don't have to split the section into another 2 sections. You can do the whole section in one around the sock if you want to, but I thought that this technique would give me a little extra volume on top rather than having it be completely flat to my head and then, you know, curly towards the bottom. So once we reach the bottom of our hair and have everything twisted, I'm gonna put my hand inside of the sock and I'm gonna flip that inside out so that goes over our hair twist that we made. And I'm gonna take that tail hanging from the top of the sock and tuck that into the inside of the sock so it doesn't go anywhere. And this stays all day, you guys. Like, it's not gonna slip out. Just make sure you're using a big enough sock that it has the room to be able to tuck. And we're gonna repeat this on the opposite side as well. And I will say this technique is extremely comfortable to sleep in. I have a very sensitive head and I took a little nap and I had no problem sleeping. If anything, it felt like I had 2 pillows on each side of my head. Now that they're in, we're gonna go ahead and let these sit for 6 to 8 hours, even more if you have the time. Okay, so it's been about 6 hours, maybe even 7 or 8 hours since I put the socks in my hair. And I'm thinking that it's dry now. My hair takes a really long time to dry, so I kept feeling it throughout the day and was still a little damp. So just make sure when you're doing this that you don't oversaturate your hair, because I think that with a sock over your hair, it takes a long time for the hair to dry. So just lightly dampen it and that will help it dry faster. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these now and let's see if it worked. That's cute. Wow. All right, so I'm going to curl my face framing and just kind of tousle this, brush this out, and add some volume to it with some texture powder. And I will get back to you guys and see the finished product. I'm roughing it up. Oh my god, you guys, this is so pretty. All right, I'm just gonna curl these front pieces just to kind of give them a little bit more wave. You don't have to do this if you're trying to completely stay away from heat, but they just didn't curl enough for my liking. They're kind of like, I don't like that. But the rest of it I'm down for. Alright you guys, as you saw in my intro, this is a finished product and it's amazing. I think it would have been even curlier had I have waited even longer, maybe worn them overnight, because my hair just doesn't dry very easily. Like, it just is always wet if it's covered up, or it just takes a really long time to dry, like hours and hours. Obviously it took the entire day this time, so maybe next time I'm going to wet them down a little bit less so I don't have to wear them as long, and I think that that would have given me even bouncier curls. But I'm actually really happy with this natural wave. This is so pretty. It gave me so much volume, and I just love the curls that it gave me. So yeah, definitely going to be using this technique like every day, all the time. I'm obsessed. So I hope this video helped those of you out who wanted to learn some different methods on how to get curly hair without using any heat. I have a few more of these up my sleeve, so if you guys want to see another video of me doing another technique to get heatless waves, let me know, because I have a few more that I've been wanting to try. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. Hit that little bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that really helps out my channel and I would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.